What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And I'm back once again with another great review of another great product from the house of ZImaya. And this is one of their latest releases. This perfume is launched just 20 days back in Beauty World Middle East 2025, and I was there at their stand at the day of launching. I have tried it, and here I'm talking about Mazaaj Rhythm from the house of ZImaya. They have launched a perfume called Mazaaj Infused, I think last year or maybe in the beginning of 2025, but this one is the latest one, and people are saying that this is an alternative of LV's Symphony. So let's find out if it's true, and let's see that how this perfume actually smells. So let's start a review as always with the presentation first. You'll get this perfume in this box. The box is very similar to the other Mazaaj perfume, and the only difference is the color here. So you will get this metallic plate with the name of the collection Mazaaj, with the logo of ZImaya here in the bottom, logo of ZImaya on the top once again, and then here you will find the name of the perfume, the Rhythm, and then in the bottom a lot of ingredient details, and then in the side here you will find your batch code and manufacturing date. So this is it. It's a solid box, nicely done. And now let's open the box. So you have to open it from here and then hold it down, and ta-da! Here is the bottle, and the bottle is really looking very nice. The finishing, it's a polished bottle. See, once again the name of collection Mazaaj here on this metallic sticker, and the name of the perfume Rhythm printed in silver here. But see the shining, how clean it is. It's a polished bottle, and see the cap. The cap is made of plastic, but it's so clear. It looks like glass. Literally, it looks like glass. Once again, you will find the logo of ZImaya here on the top of the cap, and overall, this looks beautiful. I'm really loving the bottle. You can see the shape of the bottle, thick glass base with this vibrant turquoise blue kind of color here, and overall beautiful bottle. So this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown from the website of ZImaya, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you'll get bergamot and grapefruit. In the mid you will get green apple and some ginger, and then in the base you'll get some musk and amber. So this is the notes breakdown. I was testing this perfume last night to finalize my review, and this strip, this blotter paper is from last night, and still it's smelling strong. Yeah, strong, man, strong. A fresh scent based on citruses. For that kind of scent, it's really amazing. It's really nice. So let's talk about the fragrance. Let's talk about the scent profile now. So here, first of all, this is a freshy scent. It's clean, crisp, fresh. That's it. Simple. There is no complexity at all, but yet it smells very nice and elegant. But this is a perfume which is a no-brainer. You can rock this perfume without any kind of thinking. This is a dumb breeze kind of scent. So a lot of fresh kind of perfume launched this year. So this is one of them. So yeah, very nice, simple, clean and fresh fragrance. So it starts with a lot of citruses. You will get bergamot, you will get grapefruit, but it's not sweet. It's not sweet. It's citrusy. It's a little bit sharp kind of citrus note here. It's not sharp in terms of blending. Blending is very nice, it's smooth, but the citruses are not sweet. They are not rounded or not creamy kind of citruses. They are very fresh, crisp kind of citruses here in the opening, and a lot of citruses. And then these citruses are topped up with ginger, but the ginger is not very spicy here. Ginger is providing just that dash of freshness. So a lot of citruses which are already fresh, and then on the top they put ginger, that's providing that extra spicy freshness, but in a very good way. And then musk. That's it. This is the scent profile. As simple as that. Not complex at all, but smells very nice. Let's spray it once again on the same butter paper, and let's see. Yes, this is it. And somehow in your second or third wearing you will start to get that note of green apple here, but mainly it's all about citruses. You will get bergamot, you'll get grapefruit and little bit of musk and ginger. So green apple is there, yeah, now I can smell it, but it's not very prominent. But I think with the time, because these perfumes are very fresh. If you see the manufacturing date here, this is produced in 1025, just in the last month. So I think with the time these perfume will develop more, and those fruity notes maybe come a little bit more strong. But right now it's all about citruses, ginger and musk. So this is it. And now for the second and third phases. So this is a very linear scent. It's not going to change a lot, but you will never get bored of it. I have used this perfume in my office for like 2 days and I really enjoyed. Simple, clean, always smelling good. Whenever you interact with people, they will smell you like if you are just right out of the shower. So fresh and clean. Yeah, so this is, so if you're wearing a clean, fresh white shirt, spray it in the morning and just go talk to the people and they will compliment you. It's that kind of scent. Second phase, third phase, they all smell the same. In the final dry down, it becomes little bit muskier, that's it. But citruses will be there from the start till end. So this is about the scent profile. And now let's see if this is close to LV's Symphony. So let me tell you that as per my experience, I have tried Symphony and I have tried some other alternatives in the market for LV's Symphony, and let me tell you, this is not direct Symphony's clone. Symphony is like little bit sweet. Symphony is also citrusy perfume, but it got some kind of depth. It's have this some kind of sweetness there, you know. But here, no, this is different. I don't know why people are voting for this perfume to be an alternative of Symphony. But in my humble opinion, this is their own creation. After smelling this perfume, you will be like, ah, you have smelled a lot of fragrances similar to Mazaaj Rhythm, but it got its own feel, its own vibe. Because if you have tried like Meteor from LV and you know all these kind of citrusy scents, this falls in that category, you know, this trendy, fresh, citrusy kind of fragrances. So yeah, this is it. Smells very nice. Beautiful scent. So this was about Mazaaj Rhythm, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. First of all, performance. So I have told you that on blotter paper, this was like, now it's almost 20 hours and it was still strong here. In my personal experience, I have used this perfume in my office. I was wearing a cotton shirt with my suit, with my blazer, and yeah, I did like, normally I do like 6 to 8 sprays easily. Less than 6 or 8 sprays is not in my books. So for me, 6 to 8 sprays. So I did 6 or 8 sprays, I don't remember now, and I used it for only 2 days. Because in 2 days I was able to break down, and with 6 to 8 sprays I got a longevity of 8-9 hours easily. I sprayed in the morning and till evening, till I left my office, I finished my shift, I was able to smell it. And projection, everything, Siraj, everything is very nice. Once you're going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it on you. And now let's talk about gender. A pure masculine scent. For me, it's a pure masculine scent. The brand is saying it's a unisex scent, so maybe strong independent women can try it out. But for me, it's pure masculine. And now let's talk about the age group. So no age barrier at all. From 0 to 120, you can rock it easily. And for the season or weather, pure summer scent. Have nothing to do in winters. Use this perfume in summers and for occasion, any occasion, sports activities, gym, your office, daily use, in evening, in morning, whenever you want. If it's summer, you want to smell fresh and clean, this is your thing. ZImaya Mazaaj Rhythm. Very nice scent, and it's very affordable scent. It's not expensive and it's a very strong scent. So longevity, everything is great. You don't have to worry about the performance here. And now let's come to the main thing, which is the price. So you'll get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation. Look at the bottle, guys, and the box. And the concentration is Eau de Parfum, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is only 120 UAE dirhams. And if you wait for National Day or for New Year, you may be able to get like 15 to 20% of discount. So for 100 dirham perfume, or maybe even if it's like 120 dirham, this is very nice. If you are into these kind of scents, you like designer, citrusy, fresh, uplifting, bright kind of scents, simple kind of scent, clean kind of scents, then this is your thing. Mazaaj Rhythm. I really loved it. I love to use this perfume in my gym and even in my office. Sometimes you are not in a mood of complex fragrance. So in that kind of scenario, I would love it. And even if I going out for some vacations to my home country or anywhere, and if it's summer, I would love to carry this with me, because this is something I can rock easily without any issue, and people are going to compliment. People like to compliment these kind of simple scent profiles, because you smell good, you smell easy, you don't smell complex. So people love this kind of fragrance. So this was my review about Mazaaj Rhythm from the house of ZImaya. I hope you liked it. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of some other great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.